Hello, hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, that's great. Is this PV?
Ah, it's my nickname,
Ah,
so
that's your
my name is
nickname.
Asuka.
Oh, can I call you PV?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, nice to meet you today. How are
Nice to meet you
you?
too. Yeah, fine. How
Mm,
about you?
I'm pretty good as well. Thanks for asking. I like your voice and your
Ah, thank
accent.
you.
You have a very good accent.
Thank you.
All right, I can see here it shows daily conversation, weekly
Mm-hmm.
level 1 to 2, week 13 of Study Sapuri English. Is that right?
Yes. Yeah, correct.
Okay, all right. So today we're going to practice five pickup key phrases. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Yes.
let's go to the next page. The first
Mm-hmm.
activity is substitution.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so this is the first one. You can see the key phrase at the top. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we have I went to A the other day.
Mm-hmm. I
Okay,
went to A the other day.
yes. All right, so under that, we have an example sentence using the key phrase. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
going to read it first and then please read it aloud as well, okay?
Okay.
All right. I went to I went to one the other day.
I went to one the other day.
I went to one the other day. All right. I'm just, why I went to one the other day. Just curious about this. All right. I was looking for another word, but I can't see another word. It's just I went to one the other day. All right. Now, can you see also exercise number one and two?
Mhm, okay.
All right.
I. Mhm,
Okay, so please make a complete sentence using the exercise words with the key phrase. Okay?
okay.
All right, so, okay, please start with exercise number one.
Okay. I went to a party the other day.
Wow, very good. How about exercise number two?
Okay. I went to a new restaurant the other day.
Yes, that's great. Okay, let me type it in the chat box. This
Mhm,
is a sample answer.
mhm.
Perfect, very good. You have the same answer. Good
Thank
job.
you.
Okay,
Mhm,
now let's go on to the next one. We have the second phrase. Okay,
mhm.
A, think about it.
I think about it.
Okay, let's check the example. So let me read the example. Please read
Mhm,
aloud after me. I'll
okay.
think about it.
I think about it.
Or I'll think about it. Something like that, right? When you know there are some suggestions that
Mhm,
people are telling us, so we say,
mhm.
"I'll think about it." Like you are not yet sure, right? You're not yet sure
Mhm.
100%. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm,
All right. So now please make a complete sentence using the
mhm.
exercise words with the key phrase. Please
Okay.
start with exercise number one.
Mhm. Tell me what you think about it.
Hmm. Tell me what you think about it. Very good. How about exercise number two?
Mhm. Please think about it.
All right, please think about it. Wow, perfect again. Very good. Okay, now let's go on to the next one. This time we have the third key phrase.
Mhm,
You're still blank or A.
mhm. You are still A.
Okay, so let me read again the example and you will read it aloud after me. You're
Mhm.
still up. Mhm.
You are still up.
Okay, that's great. Now, next, please make again a complete sentence using the
Mhm.
exercise words with a key phrase. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, number one, please.
Mhm. You are still young.
Oh, are you talking to me?
Yeah. You are still
Oh,
young.
no,
Yeah.
I'm old already.
No.
Is it also like Father's Day in Japan right now?
Oh, yes.
Oh,
You know?
really? Yeah, today is Father's Day. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right, here in the Philippines. Okay. All right, then, exercise number 2, please.
Yes, you're still here.
Yeah, I'm still here. Yeah, still here for you.
Thank
Very
you.
okay. You're welcome. That's a very good sentences and phrases. All right, very good. It's the same. Now let's go on to the next one. We have the fourth key phrase.
Mhm,
I like this. Just
mhm.
be yourself. Wow.
Just be yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice, right?
Mhm,
Okay, yeah, sometimes people are pretending to be somebody.
mhm.
Yeah, like they want to be like the famous person, but
Yeah.
it's better to be yourself.
Mhm.
Just be yourself. I think I like this advice. All right. So let's check the example. I'll read the instructor part. Please read the
Mhm.
student part, okay?
Okay.
What should I wear?
Just be yourself.
Mm, yeah, that's good. I have to. All right, so let's do the exercise section.
Mhm.
So please answer with complete sentence using the
Okay.
key phrase. So let's start
Mhm.
with number 1.
Mm.
All right, so I'm worried about my interview.
Just be yourself.
Mm, I have to make a good impression.
Just be yourself.
Yeah, I have to. I have to. Yes. Okay, very good. Now let's go on to the next. This time it's the fifth key phrase.
Mhm.
Wow, it's gonna be the last key phrase.
Okay.
What's that?
What's that?
All right, so let me read the instructor part. Please read the student's part. Try this appetizer.
What's that?
Okay. What appetizer do you like?
How about you?
Something spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah, something
Yeah.
spicy. Yes, I
Mhm.
like that as an appetizer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's continue. Let's have the exercise, okay? Mhm.
Okay.
So let's have exercise number 1. Let me read the instructor part. The
Mhm.
food they ordered looks good.
What's that?
This came in the mail for you.
What's that?
Special gift for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, we're done with the 5 key phrases. Do you have any
Mhm.
questions about anything so far?
Mm, I have no question, thank
Ah,
you.
very intelligent student.
No, thank you.
Okay, now let's go on to the next activity. Okay,
Mhm.
so we are going to do a role play. Wow.
Wow.
Using 5 key phrases in the conversation. This is exciting.
Mhm.
All right, so first we have the situation for the role play. So,
Mhm.
could you please read the situation aloud?
Okay. Your friend is worried about meeting their fi- finance
Fiance,
fiance.
fiancés,
Oh, fiance's pa
parents.
parents. Oh,
Mhm,
sorry. Fiance's
mhm.
parents. They are looking for a good restaurant online now.
All right, do you understand that?
Okay.
Okay, now let's go on to the next part. So please look at
Mhm.
role play number 1.
Mhm.
Okay, so we will try the role play together. Are you
Okay.
ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. Let's see, we are the best actor and best actress. And we are on stage, okay? Light,
Okay.
camera, action. This is so stressful. Look at all these choices.
What's that?
It's an online restaurant guide.
Oh, I see. You're still trying to choose a restaurant?
This is important. I'm meeting my future parents-in-law.
Don't worry, just be yourself.
Can you recommend a place? I just can't decide.
I went to an amazing steakhouse the other day.
Steakhouse? That sounds a little casual, doesn't it?
No, what? No. You should think about it.
Ah, very good. Wow, nice. All right, so let's continue to the next. Please look at role
Mhm.
play number two. Okay,
Okay.
so we will practice the role play again. This time, you're going to fill in the blanks
Mhm.
using this week's key phrase. Are you
Okay.
ready?
Yes.
All right, so we'll start. Light, camera, action. This is so stressful. Look at all these choices.
That's that.
It's an online restaurant guide.
Oh, I see. You are still trying to choose a restaurant.
This is important. I'm meeting my future parents-in-law.
Don't worry, just be yourself.
Can you recommend a place? I just can't decide.
I went to an amazing steakhouse the other day.
Steakhouse? That sounds a little casual, doesn't it?
No at all. You should think about it.
Think about it. All right. Not at all. Not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all. Yes, I should think about it. I should think about it. Okay, good job again. Now, let's
Mhm.
go on to the next page.
Mhm.
We are going to try it one more time. Okay? So
Okay.
this is role play number three.
Mhm.
Hmm. Okay, so please look at role play number three. And again, we will practice the role play and you will fill in some more blanks using
Okay.
this week's key phrases. It
Mhm.
means just a little more of a challenge for you. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
All right, so are you ready?
I'm ready. Thank you.
All right, light, camera, action. Okay?
Action.
Ah, this is so stressful. Look at all these choices.
What's that?
It's an online restaurant guide.
Oh, I see. You're still trying to choose a restaurant.
This is important. I'm meeting my future parents-in-law.
Don't worry, just be yourself.
Can you recommend a place? I just can't decide.
I went to an amazing steakhouse the other day.
Steakhouse? That sounds a little casual, doesn't it?
Not at all. You should think about it.
Yay! Very good. Wow, that was hard. You have many blanks, but that was
Yeah.
perfect. Great.
Thank you.
You're amazing.